Hi, I'm Paul Jolly and I'm in the factory that makes the rapid test equipment. They're just here in the background assembling all the units, and we will have them to Europe very quick, so stand by.
And take out the dropper. And now we take the sample from the patients. We take the sample, just one drop, about 10 microliter. And we input the blood sample or plasma and serum into this sample well. And now immediately we have to input the diluent buffer. Also 2 drops. About 80 microliter. And now we can wait, and we will get the results within 10 minutes